Hey, welcome to Northlight Quilts. My name is Anu and today I'm sewing my baby quilts and maybe children quilts. And the reason why I have all the baby quilts here is that I've done a few baby quilts lately and now I can say that I'm a grandma. So I have few days old grandson, and that's why I'm showing this, that because he is a boy I can give the girl and maybe the baby quilts what I don't like to somebody else. And you know, I have too many quilts and I'm not using those, so okay. And also I'll show end of this video, I think so at least, that how I can and you can make this bigger. So this is too small, and also how easy you can make that bigger, and then maybe more things how to use this, because this is quite small. Okay, so I turn my quilts upside like this, so I can't remember even all those quilts, and I don't even know are my baby quilts here or not. Anyway, so mostly small quilts. Okay. So this is some a little bit inside something like some kind of padding in this yellow back fabric, so I didn't need to add. So it is the same fabric, which is the back fabric and the padding. And okay, it's this way. So I made some flowers, and this is the quilt. And this is my pattern from few years ago, maybe my first one, what I made in English, I think so. And the fabrics are Kona cotton. And the first quilt of this, and the real one, so this is the baby version of that, and this is the real quilt. Okay, and this is Tilda girl. Okay, so this, and the next one, you've seen this if you have watched my videos. This was Ohio Star quilt, and green and yellow one. And if you like to make this one, you can look my older video how to make this. Quite simple and easy. And if you have some white or what extra fabric a lot and only few colors, it's easy to make this one. Okay, the next one, oh, this is the last video what I made, and I made the pattern also for this. So it's a strawberry flower quilt, baby size. The big one quilt I haven't shown you yet, at least not in English videos. And I made also this other version of this, but because I have my mind somewhere else, I have no reason to finish that, so that's why I haven't finished that. And I also made these quilt room blocks, so it's still in the same place what I've showed you last month video. So it's not maybe 1.5 months old, so it's not the oldest one, so no hurry to finish this. And so the weather here is now a little bit more warmer. It's the most warmest spring maybe for decades, many decades at least. So we have only a tiny bit of snow somewhere in forest, but in our yard, no. But in the mornings it's freezing, so it goes to below 0 and water freeze outside. So in the mornings it's cold here. Okay, the next one might be my favorite. It's a pink. So I could do this in boy version, so just cute, don't you think so? Pastel and mostly Kona cotton fabric, but the darkest two are Tilda fabric. I might leave it here. So this diagonal thing and matching these are every time like awful for me, but I still practice that from time to time to get better. And sometimes it's like butter goes well, and sometimes it's like nothing goes right. Okay, the next one is a little bit bigger. So this definitely is not my pattern. The first ones were, and the small one is, I told that you laundry basket pattern. So this is soft and look cute. It's a silver and minky. And I made this, I designed this, but I never finished the pattern or made any videos. This, I don't know. There is something, the colors are something what I don't love, maybe too busy. So I use all layer cake, maybe 2 or 3 10 squares what I didn't use. So this is a really good for layer cakes. I think this could be okay, some other fabric, but maybe someday. I like the few fabrics like where there is what other bicycles and houses. I like those, are quite cute. Okay, the next one is Big Ohio Star. You might seen this. This is like a little bit big baby quilt, easy to make and practice. I think this could be in here, the grandma place where the baby could go lay down, maybe. Or I just maybe need more reason to do more baby boy quilts. So this is not my favorite because there is so much going on. These layer cake pieces were leftovers when I made baby boy quilt for my son. I think that was children's cousin or something, and there was airplanes. So this is easy corner stars, as you see, light stars. Just I think these are 5-inch cuts and then corners from few pieces. So it's really easy to do. But I just used the fabrics what were in that layer cake, and I think that is the reason this is quite busy. But I think some little boy could like this. All right. So this is soft, and the back fabric is I just bought something from shop, you know, and this is blanket, I think, and use it behind. This is my design. I made this, I ordered these Tilda fabrics, and I designed these stars for those fabrics, and I made this pattern in Finnish, so it's like centimeters, but it would be really easy to turn this other way. I made this, I think, some other color. I have some kind of memory that I have that maybe it was this rose background. So I don't know where my fabrics and quilts all are. So okay. Oh, so I didn't have all the backing fabrics like enough, or I just wanted to use this like this. And this is also my design. I just draw that in computer, but I think I never made any pattern, but I like these. The idea came from Missouri Quilt Company, some video, and I turned these Kona cotton fabrics to this quite springly quilt. And I made these wavy lines, just light yellow, so you might not see those. Okay, so we have only, oh, this is quite small. I showed this quilt some winter video where I have photos from really North Finland, and the place where you could see Turasan. So you can look that video also. It's a United Star quilt. All right, what we have here? So the same packing or back fabric. Oh, this is cute. Also these pinwheels, and I designed this also, and I wanted something really happy, and this is also Kona cotton fabric, and the white is not just the plain white, but there is white dots in this white fabric. So this is really cute and happy baby quilt, and I have plans, or I did at least, to make a video how to make this and the pattern to give the measurements. I hope I have the measurements and the drawings in my computer somewhere. So these are my baby quilts, and I am now a grandma, so this is fun. And so let's see how to turn this bigger. Okay, so I haven't cut this, but I made these cute pieces. So when you want to turn something to bigger, you can make something like just a normal quilt but rows. And I have made these for, let me see which way these are, I don't know. Okay, yes. It's here. So the bunnies are right sides, and it's supposed to come here, and I have back fabric here. So first I made these pieces which are bigger because I was lazy and didn't want to measure so exact. So I have this white line because I wanted to that it's separate or something more calming down here. So I made 2 pieces of these, and I will sew these first. And then I need the back fabric and the same measurements. So these are 3.5 inch high. So first I put these right sides together, and then I add the back fabric. I have the same back fabric, but you could use totally something different, and it goes also right side together. And then just put the clips here, and sew.